When it comes to creating culinary masterpieces at home, the right cookware makes all the difference. This Diamond X Supreme Non-Stick 11-inch premium frying wok pan is an innovative hybrid skillet designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. Combining cutting-edge technology with the timeless appeal of Korean engineering, this wok is perfect for health-conscious cooks, professional chefs, and anyone seeking convenience without sacrificing flavor. Design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice about the Diamond X wok is its sleek, premium design. Constructed with an 8-layer titanium coating, this wok is built for durability and non-stick efficiency. The diamond-shaped design ensures even heat distribution, eliminating cold spots and making every meal consistent. Its flat bottom provides stability, making it compatible with various stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. The 3.5-inch depth is perfect for stir-frying, sautéing, or deep frying, while the included lid helps lock in flavors during simmering. Innovative oil-free cooking. Traditional cooking methods often rely heavily on oil, which adds unnecessary calories to meals. The Diamond X wok challenges this norm with its patented green shield technology, which allows for oil-free cooking without compromising taste or texture. Each meal is not only healthier, but also maintains its authentic flavor. Imagine cooking your favorite stir-fry or searing vegetables without a single drop of oil. This feature is perfect for those following low-fat diets or looking to reduce their calorie intake. Performance and heat control. The Diamond X wok stands out for its rapid heating capabilities. Thanks to its titanium-coated layers, it quickly reaches optimal cooking temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. While high-heat cooking requires minimal oil, the wok performs exceptionally well at low and medium heat settings for oil-free cooking. With even heat distribution, you can say goodbye to unevenly cooked meals. Whether you're making fried rice, steaming dumplings, or stir-frying vegetables, this wok ensures consistent results every time. Ease of use and maintenance. Cooking can be messy, but cleaning doesn't have to be. The Diamond X wok features a non-stick surface that simplifies cleaning. A quick wipe or rinse is often enough to remove residue, making it easy to maintain even after the stickiest recipes. For tougher stains, a gentle scrub with soapy water works wonders. Plus, the wok is PFOA-free, ensuring your family's safety with every meal. Versatility in the kitchen. The Diamond X wok isn't just for Asian cuisine. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of dishes, from Italian pasta to American stir-fries. The deep design allows for larger portions, while the flat bottom ensures stability on various stovetops. Whether you're searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or simmering sauces, this wok adapts to your cooking style. It's truly a multifunctional tool for any kitchen. Durability and warranty. Crafted in Korea, the Diamond X wok is engineered to last a lifetime. With proper care and seasoning, the wok's scratch-resistant surface ensures it remains in pristine condition even with regular use. The manufacturer offers a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your investment. What's included in the box? When you invest in the Diamond X wok, you're getting more than just a pan. The package includes an 11-inch premium frying wok, a vented tempered glass lid, a custom spatula, a lifetime of healthier and more flavorful meals. Why choose Diamond X Supreme Wok? With so many cookware options available, you may wonder what sets the Diamond X wok apart. Its innovative design, focus on health, and premium build quality make it an outstanding choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. Health benefits. Enjoy guilt-free, oil-free cooking without compromising on taste. Convenience. Easy to use, clean, and maintain. Durability. Built to last a lifetime with superior materials. Versatility. Suitable for various cuisines and cooking styles. Warranty. Backed by a lifetime guarantee for your peace of mind. Final verdict. The Diamond X Supreme Non-Stick Frying Wok Pan is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this wok brings a professional touch to every dish. From its innovative oil-free cooking capabilities to its unmatched durability, this wok delivers on all fronts. Don't just cook, create unforgettable culinary experiences with the Diamond X wok. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.